Girl, hey boy, it is RallyGirl back at you with another product review. This time it is the Texture ID. Let's see what the full name of it is. Let me put on my broken glasses here. Okay, it's the styling cream and it's coconut butter and shea butter. So it has both of those in it. Provides medium hold while retaining moisture and elasticity. I'm going to have to say, with a wash and go, I'm not trying to go for a cream. This, however, I saw so many rave reviews on YouTube. I couldn't wait to try it. I bought it a while ago, so it took me some time to get to it, but I was thinking about it the whole time. It is not a cream. Like it has a cream base, but it feels like a gel, like a thick gel. So I just knew that this was going to do the trick for me because I was in the market for another styler for my wash and goes. I wanted to love this, you guys. I'm just going to tell you, not for my hair. Not for my hair. Halfway through, when I was applying this, I freshly washed my hair. Halfway through, I was not looking in the mirror. I was just like, oh, what's the big deal? It's a wash and go. I don't have to look at it. Do you know, I started, like looking at the ends of my hair and I noticed that it was afroed. It was afroing up. It was no curl definition. There was no clumpage at all. So what I did, just to keep things consistent, I put this in all of my hair. I was halfway through when I realized this wasn't doing it. And then I had to put so much product in to like coax clumpage. I'm like, that's not what I'm about. I'm not about that life. So what did I do? I went to my Wet Line Extreme Gel and I put that on top to save the day because you all know I am not for no foolishness. I am not here to be doing my hair every 4 days. I'm not every 4 days washing my no. The Wet Line Extreme did the best that it could with what it had. I was in the market for another styler just because that kind of helps to feed my desire to buy products, play with products, and it would also give me an opportunity to do a video to let you guys know of my findings. Now, I'm going to say this. It worked for so many people's hair, so I had high hopes. I do feel like it'll probably work really great in a twist out or braid out or something like that. I didn't get it for that. I don't need any other products for that. But I'm going to have to use it. It did not cause any flakage. I used quite a bit. There was no flakage. I had a cream-based leave-in. I think it was my Melanin Hair Care with this and with the Wet Line Extreme. And as you can see, there's no flakage. I would have liked a little more shine. And I feel like I didn't go in. Maybe it was me in the back. The back, we're not even going to show you that because who cares? Who cares about the back? This is the part right here. Like, I had it parted down the middle like that, and I decided to swoop it over. No, I didn't do it like this while it was wet, which I should have. But yeah, this is day 3 hair. This is day 3 hair. It is the afternoon, early evening, more like early evening right now. Usually when I do my wash and goes, the ones that last the longest, my Wet Line Extreme, this is like day 8 hair, I think. Yeah, but this is day 3. I liked the idea of having like day 4 or 5 hair on day 1. It's just, I know that before it starts to, get tangly, I'm going to have to get in there with some water, break it down, and just clean this stuff out. It moves. There's movement. Yeah, there's movement. I like a little bit more, and I like it to look a little more defined. But if this is what you're going for, this is it. This is for you, honey. But again, the Wet Line Extreme. The Wet Line Extreme is what help this along. I could only imagine what it would have been had I not put the wet line in. I'm thinking I would have had an afro, and I'm like, if I can do an afro without product, so I don't want to spend time and money on product and be, and have an afro in the end. That's just not how, it's supposed to be. Okay, guys, I think I covered everything. If there's anything else, let me know. And if you tried it, how did you like it? How did you like it? I'm starting to wonder, is it more than one? Did I get the wrong one or what? Okay, no, that's another language, so no. But yeah, I wanted to love it. I'm going to try some other combinations. What? I don't know. Maybe this with something else will really do it for me. We shall see. Until the next video, live simply and be kind.